Hi everybody, my name is Stephanie and I just received my first Stitch Fix shipment in the mail and I'm super excited about unboxing it for you guys. Just a little bit about how I got started with Stitch Fix. I am in the Army. I don't have time to go shopping for myself, and honestly I don't think I would even want to. This is pretty much my style: black fingernails, black t-shirts, black everything, maybe a little bit gray in there every now and then, but mostly I wear a lot of neutrals, and I just don't know how to put outfits together, and I don't have a lot of time, and I hate shopping for myself. So I decided I was going to get a stylist through Stitch Fix who could maybe help me out a little bit. I did have a few requests. One of them was that they try to keep the prices low since I just bought a new car. I don't want to be spending hundreds of dollars on clothes every month. The other thing that I said, I don't like bright colors, so if they could keep it in the neutral zone and also show off my hips, maybe a few pairs of jeans, but mostly tops that are casual, a lot of workwear, stuff like that. So I'm super excited to see what is in here. Like I said, this is my first one, so I have no idea what to expect. After I went ahead and ordered my first Stitch Fix, I went on Pinterest and put a lot of stuff that I liked on the Pinterest board so that my stylist could see kind of what I was into. A lot of moto jackets, leather leggings, stuff like that. So I'm hoping some of this made it in here, but since I didn't do that until after I scheduled the fix, I don't know if they had any inspiration to go off, if they were just going off what I put in my profile originally. So we shall see. Okay. Interesting. So the first item, it looks like it's a flannel red and black and blue top. I actually don't wear a lot of flannel. I don't know that I own any flannel actually, but I am a country girl, so born and raised in Iowa. This would probably make its way into my wardrobe if it fits right. I do like the colors. I'm not a big fan of red, but it kind of works with this. It's not too crazy out there, so I'll try that one on. The next shirt looks like maybe like a little crop top. It's got long sleeves, which I like. I told them that I don't like to show off my shoulders very much, but I'm not sure about this neckline. I don't wear a lot of things that show a lot of my chest, and I told them that cleavage was like definitely out of the picture. So unless this looks like super cute on and I can't like pass it up, I don't know if I'll be keeping this one. This looks like a dress. No, it's not a dress. Oh, it's like a jumper. It is a jumper, but the first thing that caught my eye was the pattern. It kind of reminds me of like a Chinese like floral pattern, and it's really silky. I don't know. This might not be me at all. I'll try it on, but this is probably not something I would wear out, especially since it's got spaghetti straps. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, here we go. So I did want some pairs of jeans that weren't just like regular jean material, like maybe an olive green or a gray or a red. I don't own any colored jeans. So these are actually something that I would probably wear. They're like a gray faded skinny jean. They're denim. I like these, but they almost look like they might be too short. I'm pretty tall. I'm 5'7", so sometimes the regular fits are a little too short, but I'll just have to try these on and see, but I definitely like these. Looks like the last thing might be a sweater. Huh, interesting. It's actually like a hooded, it is a hooded sweater, but it doesn't have any like buttons or anything. It's more like a shawl. It's got a pocket here. It's really thick, and it's got a hood. I love hoods. It looks like it'd be really warm. I just don't know about the length. I don't wear a lot of things that are really long, so I don't know about this one. Also, it looks like it might be a little bit out of my price range just because it is so thick. So we'll see about that one too. All of these things I'm definitely going to have to try on. There were a few that looked like they might be a little small or short. So far though, I mean, I think she got it okay for what I was requesting to begin with, and I don't think she did have the chance to see my Pinterest board yet. So once she sees that, like I said, she'll see more of the like moto jackets and like leather pants and stuff that I really like, tennis shoes, stuff like that. This stuff is not terrible. Just this, definitely this one was way too cutesy for me. I probably wouldn't wear that. But the other stuff, I mean, it's neutral colors. That's what I asked for. So the next thing I'm going to look at, though, is the pricing, because that was one of my big issues, was if you're going to be sending me clothes, I can't afford like a $70 shirt every month. So I'm going to check out the pricing real quick. If I can find it. Here's the outfit suggestion guide, which I really like because, like I said, I don't know how to put outfits together. I'm terrible at it. So this is definitely going to be a lifesaver when I'm trying to like do something with myself. Alright, here's the price guide. So the first thing on here is the Nike, or not Nike, 9 Britain off the shoulder knot top, which I believe is this black shirt. Yeah. This is $46. Now, that might be an okay price, but for something that definitely doesn't have the neckline that I wanted, I'm not going to pay $46 for this. And there's nothing really special about it. It's just a black shirt. So the Berlin Girlfriend jean, which is these, this was $48. Again, there's nothing too crazy special about them. If I was going to buy these in the store, I probably wouldn't pay over $35. So the fact that they're almost $50 is kind of, I don't know. I don't think I would pay almost $50 for a pair of worn denim jeans. I really don't think she heard me when I said try to keep it as cheap as possible, because this stuff, the more that I look at it, it looks like the prices are pretty outrageous. So this is the plaid Henley burgundy top. This is $38. Not terrible. It probably looks really cute on. This I might just consider because I already put the $20 down, and I don't really want to be out that $20. So if I had to choose one of the pieces that I would plan on keeping, it'd probably be this one if it fits. And it also happens to be the cheapest thing on here. So then here's the pink. No, this is the pink clover cardigan. This one was $48. This is not a bad price, I don't feel, for like a really thick sweater with a hood on it. So I might actually end up keeping this one too. Oh, so sorry. This is the love of my life. She just woke up, so she needs some love. But Amy could have the mom's camera. And this is the jumpsuit. It's $58, and for the pattern not being exactly what I wanted it to be, and just not being really my style, I'm not going to pay $58 for this. So overall, looking at the prices and the stuff that they sent me, they didn't do too bad. Definitely the colors that I would pick out for myself. Not so sure on some of the styling, but like I said, my Pinterest board wasn't up, so she didn't have a chance to look at it. But overall, I mean, for the first Stitch Fix, I can find at least one thing that I'm definitely going to pay for out of this box. So it wasn't a complete fail, but I hope next month they're able to kind of look at my stuff that I picked out online and definitely get a feel for who I am. But until next time, thanks for watching. And if you feel like you want to do a Stitch Fix monthly subscription, go ahead and use my referral link that I put in the description of this video. That'll give me some money off and then get you started as well on your style guide and your stylist. Thanks, guys.